all the talk about children catching up. I think we have to take a step back from some of that on occasions and think, let's get them in the right place emotionally. There was a massive need to support the well-being of our families, our children, our staff.
The well-being of children is the most important thing for learning. I think if we haven't got the children in the right mind space with their well-being, then they're not going to learn, which has always been a bit of an ethos here at Coedffranc.
It's not just about the work, it's about how the children feel, and we kind of get that response as well from the parents, I feel, that their children are happy when they're in school.
When we were first notified by the local authority of the Accelerated Learning Grant, we put our heads together as a senior management team in order to find the best way to use that money.
And what appealed to us was the idea that we could use the funding to trial something that we'd been interested in for some time, which was to essentially target children who needed development with their reading, for example. Small groups of specifically identified targeted children would work for an hour after school, and they would do that twice a week.
The grant that we've received has helped us to obviously pay for our TAs.
We were able to then train up our teaching assistants who've done a wonderful job in making learning fun.
The way that it was done and the way that it was delivered, personally from my experience, my little boy loved it.
The grant has really given us a chance to get these children back to where we want to get them to.
It's been hugely challenging, but there are many things that we have learned and that we will take from this scenario once it's over. It's really brought us even closer together as a team.